Menteri Rangba Gajala Conrad Sangma depan tibu wakat ni dang thooh bniah yo punpoi ya ke luti rel ceki benta yong ke is jain tehil sadu Khliehriat kawaman le ke district headquarter. Tang wada ong wa ini itmu chong i ya kelam wa warok ki wa benta na do ki ya kamat chnong wa kam jo ki pajba. Hawa ya kelam ni ke sengi wa ki thok khubor da ong wa ya to wa ke luti rel na ribhoi wa is Khazil district kawana bniah hadu shillong dadab open sange chwa. Wyrta deb uya kelam wa ke sorkar India waya gani ke poisa wa debo yo penchna ya ke luti rel daura yo pen kam ka cekiwi ki thau ke jela ki wa pediang ya ke luti rel. Kam te da ong wa de ilai pure bniah ni liang ke is giant hills yo wanrah luti rel hadu Khliehriat. Ku Conrad da ong wa kamaman kat te ke sorkar India mye ko uyang slem wa wanrah luti rel hadu ashilong wela dem yi wo lai chakmat yi ke sorkar upendam no yaka without thooh da wi galat yo wanrah luti rel hai wani thau wa ki wacha.
So the railways, when it comes to the Khasi Hills, East Khasi and River section, everything has been put on hold. There is an active talk with Government of India that the money that has been outlaid for this project will be diverted and will be put up for projects for other zones or other areas in the state which are open to the railway. So we have got some kind of study being conducted from Jayante Hills side. So there is a study that's been conducted from East Jayante Hills for railway connectivity towards Khliehriat. And that also will depend, of course, on the discussion with the local leadership and the local community and the public and different stakeholders, and we'll see. But Government of India will not wait too long, and there is obviously a possibility that Government of India will cancel this particular project from to Shillong, and the money will be shifted for other zones wherever the railway connectivity is possible.